Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally grabbed some more gear for my iPhone 16 Pro. And this is a ZAGG setup. I wanted to try something different. Like, this is way different than what I would do. But I was wanting to replace my screen protector, and I never buy the more expensive screen protectors from ZAGG. So this is a hefty combination here, but I want to try it. And I've got a bunch of other stuff too. So, but first I'm gonna go ahead and put on this screen protector, and then we'll try this case on. So this is the screen protector that you get here. This is their Invisible Shield by ZAGG. Over 400 million devices protected. That's a lot of sales. You got your graphene fortified protection there. You got your blue light filtration, and it's obviously easy installation. So this is for the new iPhone. So be sure you grab the one for yours. I'll leave a link in the description. And let's go here. Let's get this installed. Yay, I did it right. A good pull. Also, there's the price, by the way, 60 bucks. In this case, I believe it's 70. So you have to do your research on there. So this is my first ZAGG experience. And some of you guys have been using ZAGG for years, but I think I'm gonna like this experience, man. I want to try something different. You know, I wanted to test myself. So right now the packaging alone says good. I can see why it's 60 bucks. We've got a shell here to drop the phone in, more than likely. And it's gonna go probably like this. Yep. Pretty cool. And then you've got some more information here. What's in here? Oh, this is the cleaning material that you'll need. So you've got your dust removal tool and your wet wipe, and be quiet. You've got your wet wipe. I'm gonna go ahead and power this off because I can see now it's gonna annoy me. All right, so you've got your wet wipe, your dust removal tool, and you've got your dry microfiber cloth there. So it tells you how to do this. So it says easy installation. I typically put on screen protectors really easy and really quick. There's one on here, I'm gonna remove it. And this is how it says it's done. So clean your phone with alcohol wipes, dry it, use a sticker to get all the dust off. Place your phone in the tray like that. And then you just put it on top. That's it. Let's see. This is my first ZAGG screen protector. I'm so serious. I know you guys are thinking, what? No way. Yeah, this is my first ZAGG screen protector. So peel this first. Avoid touching adhesive. So yeah, it's gonna go down like this. But first, we're gonna take off my current screen protector. God dog it, powered on. We're gonna take off my current screen protector. I must have these in here. This in here wrong. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's good now. Yeah, I had it in there wrong. So we're gonna peel off my current screen protector, which is a nice tempered glass that I got. Oh. And I'm going to actually power this back off. I'm gonna drop it in here the right way. You can see all the dust around there, man, from when the other screen protector was on there. All right, we got a nice fresh wet wipe. I mean, the simple things, you know, make some installations really nice. And so with them having a nice lubricated wet wipe, it's looking good. And also it says right here, it says top. So make sure you follow the instructions. And that's just my arrogance, man. I'm so used to putting on tempered glass, and theirs is a reverse. Theirs is different. You drop the phone in the tray. So that's totally different. But yeah, this phone has been living in a case, man. It's been living in my Rinky cases lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and show some love to other OEMs like I'm doing now. So hopefully I like this. And the alcohol pad that's being used there is super strong. That's the real deal. That's some of the other ones that I've had, like they're like lemon and all that kind of stuff. So I think a lot of people don't use tempered glasses anymore because they feel like, you know, the phone is strong enough. For me, I'm just so used to doing it. It's just like that added layer of protection that I'm just used to having. That's all it is. And I've broken a lot of screen protectors. And so that's why I'm more in the sense of, man, I'd rather just have an extra layer on there just to put it on there. All right, so now we're gonna hit it with the dust removal tool. And I like that I can just hold it like that. This is probably one of the most important parts of doing a installation like this. This is an important step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off right here, because this is how you do it. You peel this off. And then you drop it down. Oh wait, wrong way. And that's the good part, is it lines up perfectly. There's no way to mess it up. So now that it's on, it wants you to press in the center, and it already started to kind of adhere. So that's good. You press in the center, and then there's these bubbles, and you'll have to work these bubbles out a little bit. Oh wow, what I gotta give them credit, their glass. Wow, that bubble came straight out. If there was anything as such a removing a bubble real quick, that was definitely the way. Yeah, that's nice. It'll be some bubbles in there probably, but you know, they'll definitely go away. And I like that this is this type of tray right here is actually pretty cool in comparison to some of the other trays. And then it's gonna lift this up and boom. Yeah, it's a couple of little bubbles in there, but nothing I'm gonna cry home about. So might be a little dust, but as long as the main, oh yeah, that's a bubble because it's going away. You know what I'm saying? And then it's coming back. So it'll heat up over time, and you can keep warming it up like that if you want to, but I'm not going to. So wow, that is good. That is a good installation tray. I like their method. This is my first ZAGG screen protector, folks. Nice. And so now I'm going to go ahead and power it back on. And will over time, like in the next 24 to 48 hours, it will definitely adhere. But it looks good. I'm just going to test the screen sensitivity real briefly here. And that's all I'm going to do, just to make sure everything is good on here and that it's looking good. So pretty nice. I'm excited about it. So let me get my password entered here. And everything looks good. It looks like it's working smooth, man. No problems whatsoever. Yeah, it's looking good. So that is the tempered glass. Now that's a really nice tempered glass. And again, I've never had a ZAGG screen protector, and let alone one with like blue light filters and all that stuff. I just didn't use it. So here's the case with the kickstand. This is something that I was really, if you remember, I used to wear a lot of clear cases back in the day. But I just stopped because I like Rinky cases and I like Patak. I like some of the other cases. And, you know, this is a pretty hefty price to pay, but it's a price that you pay if you want quality. And already the screen protector has proven to me that it's going to be really nice. I don't see that breaking anytime soon. But this, wow, this is different. Like, it's so much grip along the sides. Wow. And this is a heavy duty case. I mean, it's not a heavy case, but I can tell this is going to be premium. Look at the thickness along the back. And this is like a tempered glass on the back here. So you can see, I don't know if you can see how thick this glass is or this back portion is. It is thick. Wow. And I guess they have to compensate for the kickstand. So you can pop the kickstand out like this and get it on. Nice. That's a nice metal kickstand. Pretty sweet. Yeah, let's peel this kickstand sticker off. That is definitely a heavy-duty kickstand. I want to rock out with this combination. Even though my phone, I'm using the dark phone here, this is going to be pretty sweet. Protect better with ZAGG. And it's got this little MagSafe thing in there. And wow, you got your cutout for your camera. Man, I don't know how well you can see this, but look at the thickness on the back of this case, man. It doesn't make the case bulky. It's just this back portion here is super sturdy and super thick, which is actually good. And that's probably why this case costs so much. But you pay for premium. I've learned that nowadays. So you got your volume rocker and your vibrate mute switch there. You got your power button and camera cutout, and then all ports and everything will line up. So let's pop it on. But first, let's clean it off. My first ZAGG screen protector. Wow. All right. Probably should have wiped off the inside of the case, but looks like it's all clean still. I didn't touch anything. Yep, it is super clear. So this is it. Like this phone has a lot of, this case has a lot of grip, folks. All along the part where your hands are touching, it's grip. Even in this little portion that separates from the camera. And to check that, it is working nicely. You got to make sure that these buttons, the cases for these buttons have some play right here. That's wiggly on purpose, so that way you'll be able to quickly access it like that. That's why. So yeah, man, I got my screen protector. I got my case. It's MagSafe. Wish this would have been black or something, or just some different color, whatever. But I understand the kickstand is this color, and they could have also done a black kickstand as well. But nonetheless, this is dope, man. And the inside of the case where the kickstand is, it's a microfiber material, so it's actually pretty clean, man. I do it with my cloth. Oh, here it is. So this is nice, man. I'm going back to using clear cases for a little bit. I actually ordered several cases, so I'm not just going to use this case. I'm going to use several, but this tempered glass isn't coming off, and so I really like this setup right here. And I'm actually pretty happy with the way this turned out, man. Buttons are nice and tactile with the feedback. I like it. It's hot. It's a switch. It's definitely different for me. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.